Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I am just here at a trailhead parking lot, just doing some videos today. What I do is I do a bag dump of my my fired up Friday Haversack, and just show you all I've been carrying around. It does vary a little bit based on what I'm going to be doing, but I'll bust it out and show it to you and just show you all the contents and show you what I've got going on. Okay, so as I said, this is the Hidden Woodsman Haversack, and this side pouch right here is actually an FAK pouch that I bought off eBay. And what I've got in here right now is I've got steel wool, because last Fired Up Friday was steel wool, and then I've got the two 9-volt batteries in here. I just hadn't taken them out. I'll probably end up removing it and changing it with something else, possibly. And I forgot, I had some dryer lint in the top pouch, which I totally forgot I was going to burn. This zipper pouch, I have a Fresnel lens, which I forgot to take out, but you know, it's never good to have, never a bad idea to have redundant fire making on you. This bag is basically dedicated to Fired Up Fridays. I've got one of my fire kits in here. I like to keep a pair of gloves, keep your hands safe. Got the dollar store cutting board in here. Although lately I've been using where is it? Using this wooden piece of wood. I found this, and then I've just been using it as my burn board. If I don't want, because the tailgate's plastic, so I've got a couple of these pieces of bark in here. I got one more of these, but I have two total. I put fire on here as well. And just recently I've re-added the this old sheet pan I had. I put a lot of fire on this sucker. That way I'm not, like I said, I'm containing everything. I usually will put the manger on here, and then I'll just have this going. So, I currently have some char cloth. This is just a zip top bag with a container of char, which I'm getting a little low, so I gotta make more. We have fire danger right now, so I haven't been able to make any, because I want to do a video on making char, and I also want to make some charred punk wood, which I have a piece of punk wood floating around. Oh, it's right here. Excuse me. I have some wood right here. I want to turn into punk wood. I got some birthday candles, because I don't think they're a bad item to have. I've got my LT Wright Hidden Woodsman edition, because he gave it to me. LT Wright GNS. Love this knife. I just keep a small folding saw in here just in case I want to harvest some materials. I can just go grab it, hence the gloves. I've got some birch bark. I've got some fat wood in here, and a few other odds and ends just for fires if I decide to do a fat wood burn. I've got my flint and steel set, which is my Habelis Bush Tools striker, and this Outdoorsman Show serpent striker, which I really like. And we got the other set now. And actually I just bought that as a piece of metal as well, so I have 4 total, which is, I've been digging flint and steel. This is a 6-inch by 1/2-inch ferro rod with an antler end, because that's always good to have a ferro rod. There's also a ferro rod in the fire kit, just a piece of paper with some notes. I got the Smith's Tender Pal with a Ranger band around it to hold in all the ferro rod and striker that it came with. This is Light My Fire. I think it's Maya Dust Yeah, my desk. I've had it for a long time. I was going to use it and I forgot because it kind of shifted down to the bottom. I got more fat wood. I keep my fat wood in zip top bags so they don't dry out, because your fat wood can actually dry out. Pocket bellows, which are, they expand, you can blow on them. Of course, I know if I don't take it out of here, my next outing when I need it, I'll forget it's in here. But then I always try to bring the haversack. I still had that magnesium in here. It didn't light. I get a magnesium. It's actually a pencil sharpener. I got it on Survival Resources, and I was going to use it for something. I just never got around to it. Get the Strike Force Ferron Striker. Just never took it out. I think it's been in here for a few weeks now. And anything back here? Nope, that is it. That is the entire contents of my Hidden Woodsman Fired Up Friday haversack. Alrighty, so that's it. If you have any questions, fire away. Let me know what you think. It's actually starting to rain right now, which I'm happy about, oddly enough, because we're on burn ban right now. So, you know, it just needs a good couple days of rain. Maybe we can get the fire levels lowered. We can start making fire again, because there's a lot of stuff I want to do that I need to do fire with, like using that grill, and I actually just ordered another one. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and have a great weekend.